Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can make a Discord server public. So to begin with, you obviously have to be, have enough rights on this server to have to transfer it to the public domain. So you got to be either an owner of this Discord server or an admin at least. So then go into service settings. Among the available options over here, go for the enable community, get started, then turn on the verified email required option. In here you can create rules and guidelines channel, and the separate channel for rules and guidelines, and the separate channel for community updates channel, or the separate channel for the community updates. Then in here also you can configure a couple of switches. So for example, set default settings to mentions only, remove moderation permissions from everyone, just make sure to switch on the mandatory I agree and understand toggle, and finish the setup. Then you can make some configurations if you would like to. For example, set some rules or the separate text channel, which will serve the purpose of containing those rules, and the separate channel that will provide the community users with some community related updates. Set the primary language, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.